press the subscribe button and the bell icon and never miss any updates from Techy Saksham.
What's up guys, so in today's video I'll be telling the new YouTube's monetization policy in 2018. So first of all, let's go back into the video and into the history of the YouTube. First of all, when you have nothing and you want to enable monetization, you can just quickly do that, and Google will also approve that instantly. But in 2017 it made some changes, and the changes were that if your channel has 10,000 views on your lifetime channel, then only you can get enable monetizations. Okay, so that's the procedure for 2017. But now in 2018 this is becoming very tougher, and the small creators are saying that YouTube have not done a very great thing, and we are getting demotivated, and they can't do earn money, and they are not earning money. So for that I'm going to tell you the policy and how you can solve this problem. So in 2018 the policy is that your channel should have 4,000 hours of watch time. Watch time is the length of the video which your viewer is watching, and your also channel to have 1,000 subscribers. So I think that if the watch time comes around and the watch time is great, and maybe the converse of the watch time will also come, and the subscriber will also increase enough. For example, you have uploaded a video of 5 minutes and you have a subscriber of 400 subscribers, and your video is going viral, and you get 400k in Indian 4 lakh views in. Okay, so and on another side your subscribers are also getting above. So that's all the policy of 2018 to get monetized on your video and get ads on your video. So guys, the simple trick to get around this 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. So the trick is that first of all you need to make a great content of video, and very nice video which the people will also love. And for a while, just think about that YouTube has done a great thing, because let me tell you with a live example. For example, a person is getting a video and making just a spinner, moving just a spinner, and he's also getting 1,000, 2,000, 100k views. So the YouTube thinks that this guy is making a bullshit and disgusting videos. So YouTube will, the person will get demotivated, and they will think that why I'm not earning money, and why am I wasting a time on my videos. So the person will delete his channel, and then the audience will look around for which channel to subscribe, and then your channel will be coming over there, and their audience will get to yours. So the thing is that just make a great content video and be punctual. That for example, you upload every month you upload 5 to 10 videos. Okay, so be punctual about that, because your audience may be waiting, and your views will be also getting, and the watch time will also increase. And because the content is great, and the views are also getting up, and you will be getting suggested also by some creators, and then of course your watch time will increase. Why not just think about positive, that first of all I don't need money for that, and if I enable monetization I'll just get a little bit. So that's enough for me, and you'll see that the big creators will be only getting into the YouTube platform. For example, you and me are the big creators. For example, I'm saying that you are getting a big creators, so you will get a great YouTube and a great audience. So that's the simple trick, and for the subscriber will also increase, and your watch time will also increase. And if you need to do this threshold, the 2018 new monetization policy, you have time till 20th February 2018.